In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Stocard to Klarna. 5 minutes. If you've been using Stocard to store your loyalty cards and you're moving to Klarna, this walkthrough will make the transition smooth. Before we begin, make sure your phone is connected to the internet and both apps are updated to their latest versions. That helps the transfer go faster and reduces errors. Start by installing the Klarna app on your device, then create an account or sign in with your existing one. Take a moment to complete any verification steps the app requests. Staying logged in and leaving the app open will help with the import process that comes next. When you open Klarna for the first time, you may see a prompt to import your Stocard data. If you do, tap to continue and follow the on-screen instructions. You might be asked to grant permissions so Klarna can read your wallet data. Go ahead and allow those. Keep your device awake and avoid switching apps until the import finishes, especially if you have a lot of cards. If you don't see an import prompt, don't worry. Look in the app for an option to connect an existing digital wallet or import cards. This is often found in the wallet or cards area or within settings under loyalty cards. If it doesn't appear right away, try closing and reopening Klarna after confirming both apps are updated. The option sometimes shows up after the first sync with your account. Once the import completes, head to the loyalty card section in Klarna to confirm everything transferred correctly. Open a few cards to check that the merchant names, barcodes, and membership numbers look right. If you notice duplicates, you can remove extras. If a card is missing its logo or nickname, you can edit the card to make it easier to find later. It's a good idea to test a barcode at a self-checkout scanner or ask a cashier to scan one card before you rely on your phone in a busy line. If the automatic transfer doesn't work for certain cards, add them manually in Klarna. Search for the merchant by name, then either scan the card's barcode with your camera or type the membership number exactly as shown in Stocard. If your barcode type isn't recognized, manually entering the number usually does the trick. Save each card, then double check the details. Keep Stocard installed until you've verified all your cards are present and scannable in Klarna. Once everything looks good, you're all set to use Klarna as your new digital wallet for loyalty cards.